That would help him a lot if it would be 100% clear that he can play tomorrow. Because, and I really don't understand it, why in the world of social media where you are all on it, when we were all together, a supporter jumped over something, was chased by some security guys, slipped, and kicked his ankle. Yeah, crazy. So yesterday was swollen. Today I spoke to him. He's here. I spoke to him. He said it's better, much better than yesterday. But we have to see. So, but apart from that, yes, it was a brilliant, night for him, for sure. Not only because of the penalty, especially because of the game. I think he saved the penalty and he was in a mood. He was in the penalty shooting because of the game he played before. So that was all good. But no, we have to see. It's not funny. What can I say? I know it's good use. It's like funny, and the girl in the Champions League final made obviously money with it. So I don't know what you can do against it. But it's not. I like the fact that we don't have fences in the stadium. But that means there's a lot of responsibility for the supporters as well. So if the one person cannot hesitate or stop himself, then the people around should do it and not force it, because it's not funny. In this case now, yeah, you will see it. It's possible to watch it, and it's crazy. If you see it, you think, wow, how can something like this happen?